Do you want to answer calls on your Apple Watch with your fingers? Maybe you just need to tap your fingers just like this. And I want to use it to answer calls on your Apple Watch. Then this video is going to walk you through basically how to answer calls on Apple Watch with fingers. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do when you want to answer calls on Apple Watch with fingers is exit the watch face by pressing the little crown to go to the app menu. Now, while on your Apple Watch app menu, locate and click on Settings. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down until you get to Gestures and then select it. So just keep scrolling until you get to Gestures. So once you see Gestures on your Apple Watch, then you will be able to answer calls or pick calls with your fingers on your Apple Watch. Otherwise, this is not going to work for you. So once you see Gestures, go ahead and click on it. Now, under Gestures, locate and click on Double Tap. Then here you're going to see tap your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call, reply a message, see your smart tags, and more. Then make sure double tap is enabled. Now, once double tap is enabled, for you to use your fingers to answer calls on your Apple Watch, you must wear your Apple Watch on your hand, either your left wrist or your right wrist. So go ahead and wear your Apple Watch. So let's quickly do this. Now, once you wear your Apple Watch, this is what you're going to have, right? Then, when next you have any incoming call to your iPhone and your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both connected together, your Apple Watch is going to ring, your iPhone is going to ring. Now, to pick up the call on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is double tap your fingers. You see that? Then to end it, repeat the same thing by snapping your fingers, and then it's going to stop on your Apple Watch. You see that? So each time you have incoming call on your Apple Watch, and then you are far away from your iPhone or you are busy doing something, cannot just pick it up, all you just need to do is just snap your two fingers. Once you snap it just like this, then it's going to pick the call on your Apple Watch. You see that? Then once you snap it again, it's going to end the call on your Apple Watch. It's going to end the call on your Apple Watch. See that? So that is basically how to answer calls on Apple Watch with fingers. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.